In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all completed tasks in Clickup. If you've ever needed a quick way to audit what's finished, confirm handoffs, or prepare a status update, this simple workflow will help you surface only the tasks that are truly done. Start by opening Clickup and heading to your inbox within the workspace. The inbox is a convenient launchpad because it keeps you oriented to what's happening right now. But from here, we're going to narrow the focus so we only see completed work in the right place. Next, look to the left sidebar and open the space where your work lives. A space is your top-level container in ClickUp, often organized by department, team, or function. Choose the space that actually contains the work you want to review. Picking the right home first saves time and prevents you from filtering the wrong area. Inside that space, open the specific project you want to check. This step drills down to the exact location of the tasks. Depending on how your workspace is set up, this might appear similar to a folder or a list, but here it's labeled as a project. The key is that you're now inside the scope you care about. At the top of the view, find the filter button and click it. Filters let you slice your task list so you only see items that match certain criteria, which is perfect for isolating completed work. In the filter options, choose status. Status is the field that tracks a task stage in your workflow from initial creation through to completion. Filtering by status ensures you're not relying on dates or labels that might vary between teams. When the status choices appear, open the selector so you can pick exactly what you want included. If you see a search bar, use it to quickly find the right option, otherwise scroll to locate it. Select Closed. In many ClickUp setups, closed is the status that marks a task as fully completed and no longer active. Some teams use custom labels like done or complete, but in this workflow, closed is the one that captures finished tasks. As soon as you apply it, the list updates automatically. You should now see only the completed tasks in that project. This focused view makes it easy to scan outcomes, confirm assignees and due dates, and understand what's been delivered. If nothing appears, it usually means there aren't any tasks marked closed in that location, or you're in the wrong space or project. And that's it. You filtered your view to show all completed tasks in ClickUp quickly and clearly,